Retirement has been on my mind a lot lately. I am a retired school teacher, and when I started teaching after my kids were already in elementary school, I actually got to teach my 7-year-old in second grade. That was my first year teaching. I remember going into the teaching profession and thinking, I'm not going to be teaching for 30 years. There's no way I'm going to be teaching for 30 years. And I didn't know what I was going to do for retirement. And then when I taught for 8 years, I remember one of the teachers came to me and she's like, what are you going to do for your retirement? I'm like, I don't know. I've never felt like I'm going to be having or needing a traditional retirement. It didn't make sense, but that's honestly what I felt. And so I've just been trusting God's plan for me and trusting in the process of the different things that I'm being led to. And when I found this digital marketing program, I'm like, oh my goodness, not only will this help me with my retirement, I can actually retire early. And I noticed my husband, who was a principal, so he was in the education field too, for 25 years. He's got 25 years in the Utah retirement. But then something happened at the last school that he was at, and he hasn't been working in public education since. So he doesn't have his 30-year retirement. And I'm like, okay, if I'm trusting in God's plan and I'm trusting in that he's got a plan for us and that retirement is going to be totally okay, there's going to have to be a non-traditional way of doing it. And once again, this digital marketing program can literally do it. Now, what is this digital marketing program? It's a course. It is a program and a class that you can actually learn how to market digital products that you don't hold. They're pretty much like how-tos, how to play the piano, how to crochet. But the ones specifically that I am learning how to do is one of the biggest things that's happening right now. The search that people go onto YouTube or they go onto TikTok or they're just searching Google, how do I make money online? That's the digital product that I'm talking about. That's the digital product that I'm selling, that I'm looking into. And I'm like, oh my goodness, it tells me step by step how to make $900 a day online. I'm amazed by it. Literally, I actually have 4 different income streams. There's a $100, $300, $600, $900 digital product that I have the master resale rights to, which means I can sell it over and over and over to a person who they too can sell it over and over and over again. So that's what I'm doing, because you guys, it's a booming industry right now. People are wanting to know how they can make money online. And I believe anybody who's on social media can be making money online. I just don't think that they're aware, that they don't quite understand how do I do it, or they don't know what is entailed with it. And that's what this program does. It's literally a done for you business in a box, step by step. Day 1, do this. Day 2, do this. Day 3, do this. And we have got so many amazing things to help with this retirement, because it's not going to be a traditional retirement. And I just always have felt that. I don't know why I felt that, but I knew it. So when this came, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm literally giddy about it. I'm so excited in the morning to get up and learn these new skills, because the sky's the limit. I literally can look at my goals, my 1-year, 2-year, 3-year goals, and there's hope. And I just notice in my heart and just in my body, there is excitement, because there's something about it. And I'm like, this is what God had in store years ago, before the technology, before computers. I mean, there was computers, but like the website was just brand new when I got married and started having kids and wasn't really working. And then when I went into the education field, like the technology was not where it was, but God knew that there was going to be something amazing happening and something in store, that Roseanne, you can do this. You guys, if you are interested in even learning about how you can retire at a higher rate, or what you already planned, maybe you can supplement your retirement, or if you want to learn to retire early, it's totally possible with this program. I would love to walk beside you and show you the ropes, but this program tells you everything. But I would love to be a cheerleader and support you all along the way. If you want to have more information about this, put yes in the comments. Let's get you the information that could totally be an answer to your prayers. This would be an awesome supplement or replacement for retirement if you're like me and don't have one. So I would love to help.